Welcome back to Fun in Tim's Garden. So we got all our containers sterilized. We did that last week. We got all our soil mixed, so we got a good mix of soil. Now there's one more step that we got to do. Now this is only because I went and got my own soil. If you go get some dirt at your local big box store or your nursery, you're good to go. I do recommend mixing it with the seed starter. Your call. The problem with not mixing it is the soil doesn't drain necessarily well, and that's a problem. Your seedlings probably won't make it, but try, figure it out. Anyways, I mixed my own dirt that I went and got. One more step we got to do. We got to bake the soil. That soil, it's full of seeds, wild seed, wild spores, all kinds of stuff. Don't want that to mess with our seedlings. So we got to bake it. Not a big deal. Now, my uncle always praised the Parks Seed Bible. This is actually called Parks Success with Seeds. Highly recommend it. What this book suggests doing, it has suggestions on just about every seed you can do, so check it out. What it suggests doing, if you're going to bake your own soil like me, put it in the oven, set your oven for 180, and let it go for 30 minutes. So that's what we're doing. Soil in the oven, letting it bake, killing everything in it. What that means, next week, we're gonna start planting our seeds. I can't wait. It's cold and dark outside. It's the end of January in Minnesota. I'm going nuts. But I'm gonna start my seeds. We're gonna start with peppers. We're gonna start with chilies. They take a long time. I gotta check the actual seed packet, but I think I'm gonna start with my snapdragons. My recollection from last year, they took a long time too, and I didn't read it, and I could have done better. So that's where we are. Next week, seeds. All right, very quick review. Baking our soil. Reason why? To kill wild seed and spores. 180 degrees, 30 minutes in the oven. Pretty simple. We'll go from there. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. And as always, I hope this has been fun, exciting, certainly educational and inspirational. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.